In this video, you'll learn how to set up a home page on Notion. By following these instructions, you will create a personalized and organized space within Notion to manage your tasks and projects effectively. Begin by opening a web browser and navigating to quote notion.so. This is the official website for Notion. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which provides options to sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, proceed to sign in by entering your credentials. Next, after signing in, locate the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Look for a button labeled New Page at the bottom of the sidebar. Click on this button to create a new page. A blank page will appear, allowing you to customize it according to your preferences. After that, you will see a prompt to enter a title for your new page. Click on the area that says Untitled at the top of the page. Type in the desired title for your home page, which could be something like My Home Page. Once you've entered the title, it will be displayed prominently at the top of the page. Once the title is set, look for an icon labeled Add Icon next to your page title. Click on this icon to select an emoji or image that represents your home page visually. This will help in quickly identifying the page within your Notion workspace. Next, click on the section labeled Icons that appears after selecting the icon option. A variety of icons will be displayed for you to choose from. Browse through the options and select an icon that resonates with the theme of your homepage. After selecting an icon, you will have the option to choose a color for the icon. Click on the color selection area to see different color options. Choose a color that complements your page design and click on it to apply your selection. Now, click on a blank space on the page to deselect the icon settings. This action will allow you to return to the main editing area of your new home page. Next, locate the option labeled Add Cover. Click on this to proceed with adding a cover image to your page. Once you click on Add Cover, you will see an option to change cover. Click on this to view different cover options available to you. Select Unsplash to access a library of free images. After selecting Unsplash, you will be shown a collection of images. Browse through these images and choose one that you would like to set as the cover for your homepage. Click on the image to apply it as your page cover. Once the cover is set, click on a blank space again to ensure that the cover is properly applied. Now, type /toggle in the main body of the page. This command allows you to create a toggle list, which can be useful for organizing content. Next, after typing /toggle, click on the option labeled Toggle List that appears in the drop-down menu. This will create a toggle that can be expanded or collapsed to manage your content effectively. After creating the toggle, hit Enter to confirm your selection and create the toggle list. This will allow you to add items or notes under this toggle that can be hidden or shown as needed. Next, type /page to create another page within your home page. This will help in organizing different sections or topics. Click on the option labeled Page that appears in the drop-down to create a new subpage. After creating a subpage, type in a name for this new page. This could be something like tasks or projects. Click on a blank space to exit the text input mode. Next, add a cover image to this subpage to maintain a consistent aesthetic with your home page. You can do this by following the same steps used for adding a cover to your main page. Now, navigate back to the main page by clicking on the back button or the title of your home page in the sidebar. Once back on your main page, locate the 6 dots icon next to your page title. This icon allows you to drag and rearrange your pages. Finally, click and hold the 6 dots icon next to the new subpage you created and drag it into the toggle list you made earlier. This action will nest the subpage within the toggle, keeping your home page organized and clean. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.